Alright guys, welcome back to Holly Ridge Outdoors. Week number 2 in turkey season here in East Tennessee. It is also Good Friday, so we want to wish everybody a happy Easter, and regardless of what's going on in the world, let's remember what this weekend's all about. So hope everybody enjoys it and gets to spend somewhat of time with your families. But we're off. Man just lost his voice. We're off today, so it's just what we do. We go hunting when we're off. So the weather's pretty terrible, isn't it, Heath?
Okay, we got we're in the bear net Ox 5 blind, and it's nice.
Yeah.
Until we open these windows up, the wind is howling through here. So hopefully, got my doubts about hearing any gobbles, but this place has proved us wrong time and time again. So we're hoping, hunting a big holler right here that runs back up into a clearing. We're hoping these birds are, sometimes they're gobbled that train, but we're hoping that these birds are roosted up in, tucked back up in this holler. They fly down and hit this field and are right in here on top of us is the goal here, but we'll see what happens.
Give us a hoot there, Heath.
Be nice if it's like what did happen there with Dad. Oh, 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 oh! Oh, 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 oh!
Where's she at? She's right back up in there. Sounds like she's up on the ambulance right there. That's good. She may have a top. I believe they're still in the roost. Might be. Guys, we got a hen that's responded to the call here. So they may still be on the roost. It's hard to tell with this weather. What we're trying to do is we're trying to call when the wind dies down. So let that call project out. So we're hoping maybe either if she is on the ground, she's gonna head this way. May have a couple of toms with her, or if she's still in the roost, maybe she'll pitch out this way. And the only thing is, she may come in the back way right here, which is fine because we're concealed. So see what happens. But I get that old wood haven here. Did you hear that? guys Heath just hit the old Woodhaven he was just telling you about. We're trying to get this hen behind us to talk to us. We just had a gobbler hit us up straight ahead of us at 12 o'clock. Is picture perfect where we wanted one to be. I think we got a pretty good chance of getting that bird to us. He heard us for sure because he answered Heath's call. All we need him to do is come on. And it may be beneficial if his hen behind us keeps talking too, because she'll help lure him in. So we're going to keep our eyes peeled. Wish us luck.
Just a minute here and I'll hit him again.
Oh, he's coming, he's running.
Just let him come in, okay?
I got you. You filming him?
Not yet, I'm trying to get out of here. Just let him come in, let's see what he does to this decoy.
He's struck.
Just let him come on.
Oh, shit.
You're good.
I had a misfire on the shotgun.
Oh, baby.
Hey, I looked up and all I seen was breast meat shaking. That's all I seen was breasts coming down. I said, here he comes. Hey, he got in here, guys, and he got a little nervous looking, and he said, let's let him get in here. And he got about 20 yards away, and he got nervous, it looked like, for a second. I don't know what it was, but Heath said, take him. I'm talking, Dad pulled the trigger and nothing happened. And I apologize if you heard any. But I pumped one in there and we laid him down, boys.
That right there does it. I'm talking the windiest day a man could ask for.
That's the fastest I've ever seen one run in on a hunt.
You said, here he comes.
That's awesome, boys. Hey, let's go ahead and check this bird out. We're never gonna get an interview done today. I'm just here to tell you.
You're flopping.
Hey, like a good buddy just told us last weekend, can't stop the flop.
Well, bird, get out here. Get out here and get you and take your gun. Just in case. That'd be our luck.
He fly off.
Yeah.
Filming?
Yeah.
There you go, boys. Got a big old beard on him, too. That got me.
That's how it's supposed to happen right there.
That got me jacked up right there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's what you want right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there.
I tell you, I think what happened is he probably heard that hen, and then when we called, it made him sound like a hen coming
Moving in.
closer. Yeah.
Tell you what, as early as it is, man, may just throw him in the blind and sit here. We may be able to toss another one in, as windy as it is.
We may be interviewing them too.
Hey, as windy as it is, I'm telling you, we toss another one in.
Hey, I'm talking. I can feel my eardrum.
It didn't even bother me.
Well, I think it's where it opened.
We're just facing you. Big old paintbrush on him. Stick, ain't it? Look here, guys.
That was play. I mean, that was picture perfect right there.
Hey, I believe we finally broke the curse now.
I hope.
Hey, we're gonna go back in. Probably sit back in the blind for a little bit. As windy as it is, I think we can call another bird in. I don't know if that would have affected the rest of these birds. So we're gonna drag him back in the blind with us. We're gonna do some more calling. See if we can't get doubled up today. Alright guys, there you go. Definitely a good Friday when it comes to being in the turkey woods. You wouldn't have thought it if you'd looked at the weather forecast. We've been seeing 70, 80 degree temperatures for a couple weeks. And last night me and Heath got to talking. You know, we knew it was going to be cold. We knew it was going to be windy. I said, man, let's set this blind and just wait it out and see what happens. We get up this morning and we're looking at upper 20s, low 30s with 20 to 25 mile an hour gusts. Just not an ideal day to be in the turkey woods, but by gosh, if this old boy just didn't come in playbook. We we got a little tore up whenever I shot. If you guys knew what we went through to kill this bird, we've got hours among hours of countless hunts right here on this piece of property, and this is the first time we've ever taken a bird off of it. We've had a couple chances, it just never worked out right. So this one's well deserved, and that's why we kind of got tore up. And plus, we just laugh about everything. I don't know. We probably laugh at our own funerals, I'd say, but we got excited. It was well worth it. Beautiful bird, nice beard on him, nice fan. I just couldn't be happier. This is my grandfather's land, so it really means something special to me to take this bird from here. And it's kind of cool to take one on Good Friday with Easter weekend coming up, with the coronavirus and all that other nonsense going on. It's nice to just be able to walk out of here today with this beautiful bird. Thank the good Lord for letting me take him, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Heath, what you got to throw at him?
Yeah, like Justin said, man, we even if we could have heard birds gobble this morning on the roost, I don't think we would have heard them. That's how windy it was.
Yeah, it's bad.
This bird could have been gobbling on the roost. I don't know. We had a hen respond to a call in behind us here, and I was messing around with her, thinking maybe we could pull her down. Maybe she'd have a tom with her, and I don't know, about 4 or 5 different sequences. I used the old Woodhaven, the mini green V, and man, he gobbled. Sounded like he was, there's a pond back in here behind us. Sounded like he was maybe up to the right or left edge. It was hard to tell with the wind. He gobbled, and it literally, we counted 19 seconds, and Justin said, there he comes. So it worked out great. Glad that Justin finally get one on the ground. We're gonna rotate over to my dad, Terry. He'll be up in the morning, and we probably all 3 have guns, maybe triple up, who knows. So, yeah. Anyway, we appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on that bell, so every time we post, you know, we got a bunch of stuff coming, guys. We got another kill with Jordan Couch and his little boy. It's an awesome hunt, and we got a hunt actually on the same farm from last week. We about had it sealed up, but couldn't make it happen. But All right, bud.
Yeah, I'm
Appreciate it.
excited.
Thanks for watching.
Thank y'all.